Welcome everybody to this high-level conference on research perspectives on the health impacts of climate change.
Science is essential to inform and inspire an ambitious evidence-based climate policy. The IPCC reports reminds us year by year of the urgency to take action and achieve the objective of the Paris Agreement.
We just simply need to broaden the base. We just have to learn how each country is dealing with the climate risk.
The fact that this room is filled, which fills me with joy, really, to me demonstrates that we have all woken up now to the fact that climate change is also a very quickly growing human health threat.
If we have a robust community health, primary health care, it is going to make a life very, very different. Because most of these climate change shocks, they're happening in the communities. So we need these solutions which can work in the community.
So we have an enormous opportunity today. We could be tackling climate change, we could be providing healthier diets, cleaner air, enormous health co-benefits through health-centered, human-centered climate action. It just needs political will.
There is definitely work to be done in order to be able to address diseases related to climate change in a more gender-oriented perspective, but also a perspective that can take into account the different age groups and different populations that we have, not only in terms of vulnerability, but also in terms of their biology and the way they react to disease.
We have all been working on environmental health for a while, and I wanted to remind you that when we tackle the causes of climate change, we are looking as well at the whole picture on environmental health. 25% of the global burden of diseases means almost 13 million deaths can be avoided.
We do have the reality that climate change, biodiversity loss, pollution, they're combining to create risks, but how will demographic change in coming decades also affect that risk profile in terms of age, mobility, migration patterns, urbanization? Because the reality is that Europe or the world 20 years from now demographically is not going to look exactly the same as it does today.
Well, let's start doing something together that is incentivized in some way that allows us to work together across all of those sectors.
I'm so happy to see that so many of you are really sticking to the end. And I think that is really a sign that everybody who is here really also feels that this is an incredibly important topic.
And I really would like to thank you for your interest, for your support, for your commitment, and we are all looking forward to your contributions, how to make the world a better and safer place for everyone. Thank you very much.